welcome back to my channel. I know I look rough, but I just did like a 8-hour drive. So as y'all know, I'm originally from Alabama. So my little sister and my niece and my other little sister, they came and spent like a whole 5 days with me. So I just took them back home. So I just drove literally from Atlanta all the way to Alabama, which was like 4 hours there and 4 hours back. So I'm exhausted. My makeup is not done. My hair is looking kind of cute. So yeah, we're gonna do this thing. 1 second. Today I am gonna be doing an unboxing. So ratchet. So today we're gonna be doing a unboxing of some hair. Y'all, I bought some of the most popular hair on Instagram, and you guys may know them, Kendras boutique. So a lot of stars use this company, and supposedly their hair is pretty good. I have scissors in my hands because I am about to cut open this bag. I literally just got off the road from Alabama and I came home to my package. So long story, quick story actually. I had ordered some hair from another company, whom shall not be named, and I ordered it like 12 days ago, right? So, I hope I'm not cutting the hair. So I ordered it like 12 days ago, right? I ordered the hair and then I was tracking the shipping because I was like, I feel like this hair is supposed to be here by now. But y'all, it was like 10 days after, and I was like, man, it's taking a really long time for this to get here. So I'm checking the tracking. It's literally still in the state that it was coming, like being shipped from. It was still there. So I was like, it's been 10 days, like this hasn't moved. And so I'm a busy lady, okay? I'm busy. Yeah, so anyways, I started looking online and I was just like, okay, I need to find me some more hair. And so I ran across Kendras boutique on Instagram and I was like, okay, a lot of people seem to buy this hair, so let me give it a try. But fast forward to present day, my package is here and I'm so excited. I'm so ready to open it, y'all. All right, so I've opened the package. This is what it shipped in. I paid for express shipping, so the shipping was like 2 to 3 days. I ordered the hair Thursday night around like 10 or 11 p.m. and I received the hair today. Today is Saturday. I received the hair today around like 2 p.m. So Friday, Saturday. It was barely 2 days. Honestly, it was barely 2 days. So good shipping is definitely worth it if you are looking for some hair and you're in a rush. So the first thing out of the bag is, I didn't order this, guys. It just came with it. I guess it's like a free gift or whatever. I think it's a scarf. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little scarf and it has a K on it and it has diamonds on it. How cute is that? That's such a cute little sweet free gift. So we're gonna sit that there. Okay. So in the package, just my shipping label. So I'll put that there. And then just a flyer. She has her bundle deals on there. And then we got just a little flyer with some information. So what I ordered was, I ordered a frontal 18-inch, one bundle 26-inch Bodywave, one bundle 24-inch, and a 22-inch. And they were all Brazilian Bodywave. So I'm gonna open the frontal first. This is the packaging. So the frontal comes in this plastic packaging with the K on the front of it. And then the actual bundles come in this packaging. Cute little, just silk bag. Cute. And the bag just says, I'm a hair barb. So that's Kendra's logo. It's like a Barbie. And you know how everybody has like their followers or their customers, they call them like cute like pet names. Hers is Barb. So it says, I'm a hair barb. Super. This is a huge frontal. So this is the frontal. I was trying to order a transparent frontal and they didn't have any or HD frontal, and they were completely out. So I wasn't able to get that. So I just had to get a regular frontal with brown lace. I'm not sure if it's pre-plucked. So again, the bundles that I got are 26, 24, 22. And then it's out of this package like this. So these are the bundles. All right, so first we have the 22 inch, which is the shortest bundle. 22 inch, so this one, put it here. Here, this is the shortest one, the 22 inch. Some pretty good hair. The ends look really healthy. The 24, the hair is pretty thick all the way down. I don't know how long you guys have been wearing virgin hair, but a while ago when virgin hair first started like getting like, you know, started like popping like that, it had this smell to it. Not the corn chip smell, but it's like a, I don't know. I can't explain it. It doesn't smell bad, but it's like a, I don't know, it's like a real virgin hair smell. I can't explain it, but it's not the corn, it is not the corn chip smell, you guys, I promise. But it has that virgin hair smell to it. And then the 26. So the 26 inch, the bundle is a little bit thinner, which is expected from a longer bundle. One thing that I do like about these bundles, a lot of Bodywave bundles, they'll have that wave where it's like the S wave. This isn't that. Like this wave in here, it looks like it's an actual wave of someone's hair. Like it doesn't look like it was processed, and you know when they lay it on the table and they make that S. So when you get the bundle, like the bundle is flat, and then it's literally like it's pressed into that S shape. This doesn't have that, and I really like that about it because I didn't want it to have that. I wanted to just be like natural wavy, you know, hair, which this is. So another thing with hair that's really processed, it's like extremely soft. This hair, it's soft, but it feels like real hair. Like if you feel your hair, like you can feel the texture of your hair. It's not soft like butter, but it has that little bit of like roughness to it where it feels like real hair. That's what this feels like. So it's not rough, like dry, like it's gonna shed, like it's not good hair. It has texture to it, like it's real hair that came off of someone's head, and it feels like it's unprocessed. I'll say that. It feels like it's unprocessed. The color on this, I would say, is like a natural black brown, like dark brown, because you can tell in the light it's going to be a little bit lighter, but it's like just a natural black shade. But here are all the bundles. Again, I love this hair. It's so pretty, super pretty. But the frontal does have baby hairs, and it looks to be already pre-plucked. The knots, I think they're bleached a little bit. Sometimes they'll bleach the knots to a point where it's safe. They won't bleach them, like, you know, to where the hair is like shedding and falling out. So I think it's bleached pretty good. But yeah, here is the frontal and then the bundle. This is how the people promote their hair when they're showing it on video. This is how they do it. All right, so yeah, my overall first look at this hair, I would rate it maybe honestly, I would say about a 9, because I feel like the wefts are really well constructed. They're not super thick to where once I start to put it on my wig cap, like they won't be hard to fold over. So that's the 24, and then that's the 26. But it's a lot of hair on it, and then that's the 22. Even for a 22, like a 22 is long. So I feel like, you know, that's a lot of hair that's on there. But yeah, so that's the hair, you guys. I love the little scarf. But yeah, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to hang out with me and watch another bomb video. I am gonna make this hair into a wig. I bought this hair for some photos that I have to take for my birthday that's coming up. So I'm gonna make this into a wig, and I may or I may not film it. I'm not sure yet. Everything is everything. I'm so excited about this hair. I cannot wait to put it in, and I can't wait to show you guys. So, oh, and this hair that I'm wearing right now, I also did a video on it. So you guys want to know where this hair is from, just go and check my previous video, and yeah, you'll see how I made it into this bomb wig. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day, have a good week, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.